Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install Mico application. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in Mico and perform your search. Now tap on Mico application. Tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. It might take a while to download this app. And this is how you can install Mico application. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.